Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Avatar Kyoshi from Avatar The Last Airbender without the IP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, I'm going to select this menu. Okay, for the hairstyles, you can choose this one. This is from the World Culture Update. And then you're going to choose this fur crown from the World Culture Clothing area. Okay, you can go to the World Culture Clothing area. And for this fur crown, you're going to color it with this yellow color. You can copy my code. Okay, and then you're going to choose this item from the Thailand, and then you're going to color it with this dark green color. You can use this color code, and you're going to select this item from Japan, and again you're going to color it with the same green color. But for the third selection, you're going to color it yellow. Okay, and then you're going to choose this boot from the codes item. Okay, and for the color, just leave it like that. And you're going to select this earring from the Valentine's update, and you can color it with this color. And this item from the World Culture Update, you're going to color it with this yellow color and also this brown color. Okay, and what else? Okay, this set is from the Weather Rose set. You're going to color it with this green color. Okay guys, and I have mentioned all the items, and this is for the outfit. And for the face, you can choose the makeup from the World Culture Update. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!